Children, I will discuss a few questions from exercise 6.3, solving the system of inequalities graphically. When we have linear inequalities in two variables, the way we find its solution is graphically. Okay, that we have seen in earlier exercise also. And now I'll just take a few questions from here which are required to clear your concept or whatever details I need to highlight. Okay, and rest on the same lines you will try to solve. Okay, and then report whatever problems you come across. So like they've given you out here this system of equations. Solve the following system of inequalities graphically. First is 3x plus 2y is smaller than equal to 12 and rest are x is greater than equal to 1, y is greater than equal to 2. Okay, so we know what we have to do. First we have to plot the lines corresponding to these equations. इनको equal to में change करके हम पहले lines plot करते हैं and then we decide which part of the plane it is talking about with this greater than or smaller than sign out there. And then when we say system of inequalities solution, that means the common solution जो points इसको भी satisfy करे, इसको भी और इसको भी. Okay, so common solution of all three inequalities. Okay, so here it is. First we'll plot the graph for 3x plus 2y is equal to 12. A quick revision, how do we do that? You know how to plot lines. Okay, in class 9 that was taught to you. Once for easy points we can take any points, but for our more convenient points we take once x is equal to 0, once y is equal to 0. So if you take x as 0, you get y as 6. So one of the point would be 0 comma 6, which is this point. Then if you took y as 0, you would get x as 12 upon 3, that is 4. So the other point is 4 comma 0. So these two are the major points, and then join of that will give you the line corresponding to 3x plus 2y is equal to 12. So that's your line. Okay, second inequality के लिए line में अगर convert करोगे, say x is equal to 1. So we know x is equal to 1. What kind of line it is? It is a line parallel to y-axis. So this is your x is equal to 1. Passing through x is equal to 1 parallel to y-axis. That is my second line. Then next was y is equal to 2, which is gives me line parallel to x-axis. Passing through y is equal to 2. So all that is actually a revision of class 9's theory that you have studied. Now once you write all these three, plot all these three lines, after that we look for the regions. So if you see, check out from your books, the first inequality had sign smaller than, that is 3x plus 2y was smaller than 12y. So to decide which region, now this line has divided the plane into two portions, one above the line and below the line, we can say anyhow, or maybe to the left side and right side as you want to denote that. Now which portion, either this portion is its solution or the other way around, the other half. For that we take any point lying on any one part, and the most convenient point out here is origin, we said. Okay, 0 comma 0 से calculation shortest होते हैं. So we will check that out. Now if I put x as 0, y is 0, I get the relation as 0 is, we know, smaller than 12, and वहाँ पे smaller than का ही sign है आपका inequality में. So that means जो 0 comma 0 है is satisfying this inequality. 3x plus 2y is smaller than equal to 12, because when you put x0 y0 you get 0 smaller than 12, which is a true fact. So that means origin or 0 comma 0 is part of your solution, right? So the origin कहाँ आ रहा है? Below the line or maybe to the left of the line. So ये पूरा shading हो जाएगा. All right, they've shown you out here three different shading. This shading, this rectangular type is denoting the shading for first inequality, 3x plus 2y is smaller than 12. Then second was x is greater than equal to 1. So this is the region, or these all x's are greater than 1. ये सब x छोटे हैं 1 से, and this is x is greater than 1. All these x are greater than 1. तो इस line के right hand side में shading होगी, right? Next आपका आया y is greater than equal to 2 inequality थी. तो this is the point or region where y is greater than 2. All this region is where y is greater than 2. So we will shade above the line. Okay, so to the left of this line, above this line, and to the right of this line. So in तीनों का common portion कौन सा आ रहा है? This one which has been shaded dark out here. Okay, this is satisfying all three conditions. It's coming to the left of the first line, to the right of second and above the third. Okay, so ये जो dark shading करी है ये आपका actually required solution होगा. Okay, so it's for you. If you get confused, maybe आप थोड़े इसमें shading अलग से करके then finally you can neatly show that the final solution is this. But this is the most important portion which has to be highlighted. ये clearly shaded होना चाहिए. And ये shadings अगर आप नहीं दिखाना चाहो, it's not necessary. You can do that, visualize that mentally, and you can just guess, okay, यहाँ इसका shading जा रहा है, यहाँ इसका, so the common portion is coming as this, and finally this is your solution, so this should be shaded. All right. Okay, see in the third question now, the two inequalities are 2x plus y is greater than or equal to 6 and 3x plus 4y is smaller than or equal to 12. So likewise we'll plot first line to be plotted. 2x plus y greater than 6 के लिए 2x plus y is equal to 6. So again put x is equal to 0, y is 6. ये point आ गया 0, 6. Then if you put y is equal to 0, you end up getting x is equal to 6 upon 2, that is 3. So the other point would be 3, 0. Join this and obtain your line. The second inequality, that was 3x plus 4y is smaller than 12. तो equal to 12 के लिए हम पहले line बनाएंगे. Again put x as 0, you get y as 12 upon 4, that is 3. So 0, 3. Point highlight हो गया. Y is equal to 0 is giving you x as 12 upon 3, that is 4. So 4, 0. Okay. Join both these points. That is your other line. अब equal to sign, जब inequality में equal to sign होता है, we consider complete lines. Okay. And अगर only smaller than and greater than होता है, then we take dotted lines. I hope you all remember that. Okay. So now for the solution, individual solution. For the first one, it was greater than sign. So if you put x is equal to 0 here, y is equal to 0 here, you get 0 is smaller than 6, but आपका sign था greater than का. Okay. So 0 is not greater than, या you should say 0 is not satisfying the given inequality. तो जहाँ 0 या origin था, that will not be part of your solution, it would be the other half. तो origin इधर की side है, so हम इधर को shading कर देंगे, right? For the second inequality, again if you put 0, 0, 0 is smaller than 12, and yes, this time it was smaller than sign only, so this will be your solution. जहाँ origin आ रहा है, this will be your solution. Okay, so the common solution to both of these, इसके नीचे and इसके ऊपर, is this shaded. So ये this is all unbounded, this is all going up to infinity. ये complete ऐसा नहीं है कि इतना सा triangle है. Okay, this is unbounded set, so there are so many solution or so many points, infinite set है. Now example 4, you see question number 4, children. Okay, in this the inequality is given to you. Now see, there are two specific things to be noted here. X plus y is greater than or equal to 4. Okay, these are the kind of inequalities we had in above questions also. Another one is 2x minus y is greater than or equal to 0. Just now I told you कि अगर equal to sign भी आता है, then हमारा जो line बनती है, that is a complete line, proper line. And if it is only greater than or maybe smaller than, equal to नहीं है, तब जो आप line बनाओगे, okay, of course we'll have to trace the line, but वो line हम dotted बनाते हैं, just to signify कि okay, equal to नहीं था means जो points line में हैं, they will not be part of a solution. Apart from that, the rest of the points as per the condition, smaller or greater, will be the solution, but not the points on the line. और इन वाले cases में क्या होता है कि even the points on the line are the solutions. Okay, so we'll see how we denote that difference. Another thing specific here, see इस वाले equation में देखो आप, you don't have a constant term. Okay, this is constant is 0. इसमें 4 था, अभी तक जो आए उनमें कुछ और constants थे, but this is one equation which has variables x and y and constant being 0. So any curve of this kind which does not have any constant, or rather the constant is 0, passes through origin. It always passes through origin. So अभी तक आपने देखा, when we were deciding the region, तो we were considering origin for our calculation convenience. हम origin ले रहे थे. अभी हमारा यहाँ पे थोड़ा we'll have to change our approach, because this would be a line already passing through origin. So origin will not be a solution anyhow, and it will not even make the condition clear, because the origin itself lies on the line. So we'll see how we have to go about it. Look at the graph now. So x plus y is equal to 4 wasn't difficult. x0 4 y0 x4. So 0, 4, 4, 0 दोनों पॉइंट्स हैं आपके, आपने ज्वाइन करा, यू गॉट दिस लाइन. एंड क्योंकि इस इनइक्वालिटी में इक्वल टू भी था, आपने ये प्रॉपर लाइन बनाई है. द अदर इनइक्वालिटी वी हैड इन हैंड वाज 2x minus y. And in this, if you put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, that will not work. Why? Because I have already told you कि जब इसमें constant नहीं है या constant 0 है, origin line has to pass through origin, so you'll just have one line. So you'll have to take some other point, but you know it, okay? 9th में आपने पढ़ा है पूरा table बना के how to you plot line. So take some other point, say take x is equal to 1, then you get y is equal to 2, okay? So 1, 2, 1, 2, ये एक पॉइंट आ जाएगा. और एनीथिंग एल्स, टेक x is equal to 2, maybe someone takes x is equal to 2, then if you put x is equal to 2, from here you get y is equal to 2 to the 4, so 2, 4, ये पॉइंट बन जाएगा. So you know how to plot lines, right? But what we have to take care here is, because equal to sign was not there, तो देखो ये line dotted बनी है. If equal to sign is missing, the line has to be dotted. This is what you have to see. Okay, now for the solution. Okay, so if you are looking for solution of first inequality, it was greater than sign. x plus y is greater than 4. तो इसमें अगर आप 0, 0 रखते हो तो 0 is greater than 4 is false, means जहाँ 0 आ रहा है या origin आ रहा है, that is not part of your solution. तो हमने origin वाला छोड़ के remaining half shade किया है ये, right? नाउ अभी जब इसका सोल्यूशन करना है तो अगेन हम इसके लिए ओरिजिन चूज ही नहीं कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज ओरिजिन इज लाइंग हियर. तो यू हैव टू टेक सम अदर पॉइंट. से आई हैव टेकन दिस, आई नो कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ दिस पॉइंट इज 3, 0. तो इसमें आप 3, 0 सब्स्टिट्यूट करके देख लो. ओके, सो इफ आई पुट x as 3, y as 0, I get 3 to the 6 minus 0, which is 6, is greater than 0, which is true. And the inequality was supposed to be there's some problem here. Okay, this is giving you 6 is smaller than 0, which is false. If 6 is smaller than 0 is false, then this should have been shaded. Okay, it should have been somewhere here, because this is x. Am I seeing it right? Yes. Okay children, there is some confusion here. I don't know, maybe check in your books. If the sign is smaller than, then this should not be the part of your solution. This shading will go the other way around. Okay, see ये वाला point रख लेते हैं हम. 0, इसका coordinate will be 0, 1. X coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is 1. So 0, 1. If x is 0, minus 1 is smaller than 0. Children, according to me, if the sign is smaller than, which is in my book, then the shading should be this side. Okay, this is incorrect. The shading should have been this side. All right, or maybe in some books it's greater than sign. If the sign is greater than for this inequality, then yes, it is perfectly fine. This portion would be your this portion would be shaded, and then the common solution will be here. But as given in my book, I suggest the solution should be, the shading for the second inequality will be this side. Okay, and if it is this side, then your common solution will fall somewhere here. This will be your entire region. And again, it is an unbounded set here as well, children. All right, unbounded, देखो, this is going up to infinity, so you'll have so many points. ये बड़ा होता जाएगा region, and all that will be your solution. But of course we can't show that whole, so वो approximately इतना आप shade करके दिखा दोगे. Okay, so just check this out, the question properly given as in your book.